Thank you for being here. Broccoli is a nutrient-rich vegetable with a fascinating history and a wide array of health benefits. From its ancient origins to its popularity as a culinary staple, today broccoli has earned its place as a beloved vegetable in cuisines around the world. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the intriguing journey of broccoli, exploring its history, top producers, varieties, incredible health benefits, and how you can grow this nutritious vegetable right in your own backyard. This green gem traces its roots back to the wild cabbage. The first cultivars of this cruciferous vegetable were the Romans, who successfully bred it to produce the flowering head that we now identify as broccoli. These original cultivators, with their innate farming techniques, appreciated broccoli for its distinctive taste and health advantages. As their communities expanded, they spread the appreciation for this nutrient-dense vegetable. The Mediterranean climate seemed perfect for nurturing this robust food, and it soon became an integral part of their meals. Jumping ahead to the Americas, broccoli journeyed across the Atlantic with Italian immigrants in the early 20th century. These settlers grew broccoli in the new land, paving the way for its introduction to the American cuisine, where it has since been a cherished supplement to nutritious meals. It's intriguing to acknowledge that this green vegetable we see today boasts a rich history. Stay with us as we dive further into the intriguing world of broccoli in this upcoming episode. Ever thought about where most of the broccoli you consume comes from? Let's embark on a global journey to the top 3 broccoli powerhouse of the world. First stop, China. As the world's largest producer, China contributes to a staggering 2/3 of the global broccoli output. This cruciferous veggie is a staple in Chinese cuisine, often stir-fried or steamed to perfection. Next, we jet off to India, the second largest producer. While not traditionally a part of Indian cuisine, broccoli has found its place in the Indian kitchen, adding a nutritious punch to a variety of dishes. Last but not least, we visit the United States, the third largest producer. From coast to coast, the US grows a significant amount of the world's broccoli, particularly in California, where the climate is just right. So next time you eat broccoli, remember it could have journeyed from halfway across the globe. Do you know there are more than one kind of broccoli? Yes, we're not just talking about the familiar green trees that grace our dinner plates. Let's explore the 3 most consumed varieties of broccoli: Calabrese, Broccolini, and Romanesco. First on the list is the Calabrese broccoli, the most common variety named after its place of origin, Calabria in Italy. Its large green heads and thick stalks are a familiar sight in most supermarkets. Next up is Broccolini, also known as baby broccoli, is a hybrid variety that combines the best traits of broccoli and Chinese kale. It features long, slender stems and small florets, offering a mild and sweet flavor that pairs well with a variety of dishes. Finally, we have the Romanesco broccoli, the mathematician's favorite. With its striking fractal patterns and vibrant green color, the variety is as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the palate. Its taste is a bit milder and nuttier compared to its cousins. Who knew that our beloved broccoli had such diverse siblings? Do you ever wonder what else you can do with broccoli besides steaming it? Well, let's dive into a diverse culinary uses of this green gem. First, consider the humble salad. Raw broccoli adds a refreshing crunch and a healthy dose of nutrients to any salad mix. Just chop it up, toss it in, and let its natural flavors shine. Next, we have the sizzling stir fry. Here, broccoli becomes the star of the show. Its sturdy texture holds up well to high heat and absorbs the flavors of sauces and spices beautifully. Lastly, let's not forget about soups. A simple broccoli soup recipe can truly warm your heart. Start by sauteing onions and garlic, add in your broccoli florets, pour in vegetable stock, and let it simmer. Blend it all up and voila! A creamy, comforting, and nutritious soup is served. Broccoli is not just nutritious, but it's also quite a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. Now, why is broccoli considered a superfood anyway? Well, let's dive right in to uncover the plethora of health benefits this humble green veggie has to offer. Firstly, broccoli is packed with fiber. This not only aids in digestion, but also helps to maintain low blood sugar, curb overeating, and contribute to weight loss. A study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that a higher intake of dietary fiber is associated with lower body weight. Secondly, broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin K and C. Vitamin K is essential for the functioning of many proteins involved in blood clotting, while vitamin C builds collagen, which forms body tissues and bone and helps cuts and wounds heal. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reports that vitamin C intake is inversely related to the risk of coronary heart disease. Third on the list is broccoli's potential cancer-fighting properties. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to cause tumor cells death and reduce the tumor size in mice, according to a study in the journal Carcinogenesis. Fourthly, broccoli is rich in antioxidants, particularly the antioxidant camphorol, which has been shown to have heart-protective, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and anti-diabetic effects in various studies. Fifth, broccoli is a great source of folic acid, a B vitamin that has been linked to improved brain health and a reduced risk of birth defects according to the National Institute of Health. Sixth, broccoli contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are important for eye health. These nutrients can help prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, as per a report in the journal Nutrients. Seventh, broccoli is a good source of potassium, which is necessary for nerve function and heart contractions, according to the American Heart Association. Eighth, broccoli is packed with bioactive compounds. These are natural substances found in small amounts in various foods and plants that have been found to have an effect on human health. Ninth, broccoli is a heart-friendly vegetable. It's rich in fiber and antioxidants, which can protect the heart, according to the study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. Lastly, broccoli is a bone health booster. It's rich in both calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health and prevention of osteoporosis. The Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism states that a deficiency in vitamin K can lead to bone fragility and fracture. With so many health benefits, it's no wonder broccoli is dubbed a superfood. So the next time you see a bunch of broccoli, remember it's not just a green vegetable, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Have you ever thought about growing broccoli in your own backyard? It's easier than you might think, and it's a fantastic way to ensure you always have this nutrient powerhouse at your fingertips. Let's start with the basics. Broccoli is a cool season crop, which means it thrives in temperatures between 55 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Offering it a sunny spot in your garden would be ideal. Now, the soil plays a crucial role in successful growth of your broccoli. It prefers well-draining, fertile soil with a pH level between 6 and 7. Adding compost or aged manure to your soil before planting can provide the nutrients your broccoli needs to thrive. When it comes to planting, you can start your broccoli seeds indoor about 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost date. Once the seedlings have developed their second set of leaves, they are ready to be transplanted outdoors. Space your broccoli plants about 18 inches apart to allow them ample room to grow. From planting to harvest, broccoli typically takes about 12 to 16 weeks. But don't rush the harvest. You'll want to wait until the broccoli head is fully developed before the yellow flowers starts to bloom. This is when it's at its peak of flavor and nutrient density. But growing broccoli is not just about planting and waiting. It requires care and attention. Regular watering is essential as broccoli needs constant moisture to grow well. Also, keep an eye out for pests like cabbage worms or aphids, which can damage your crop. Using organic pesticide can help keep these critters at bay. Remember, the more you care for your broccoli, the more it rewards you, not just with the high nutritional value, but also with the satisfaction of knowing you've grown it yourself. So are you ready to give it a go? With a bit of patience and care, you can enjoy your own homegrown broccoli. So there you have it, a crash course in all things broccoli. Remember, it's not just a veggie, it's a superfood. Click the link above to check out our other videos in this series. If you found this video informative, give it a like, subscribe, and share. Comment below and let me know if you like broccoli. Until next time.